For music club, first of all, we have a number of positions. There's a chair, there's a vice chair, there's a treasurer and his assistant, there's a secretary and the assistant, and that's basically it. There's a PR and ICC representative. Each have their own role that they play.
So how is the relationship with the administration? Because in terms of, let's say, holding the concert we had previously, I'm sure you're one of the guys who organized it.
Yeah,
so how do you guys go about organizing concerts?
It's a rigorous process because we first have to talk to the artists who we want to bring in, and the school has to allow them. But all in all, we have people who are in charge of talking to the artist. The PR, who is Jaime, she'll talk to the artist, see what terms under which they want to come in, and then we basically set the ball rolling.
You said you guys organize concerts, so how successful has it been? How, as a USIU audience, come up and say this was a very good idea? What have been the numbers? Has it been sold out, or usually have 3 people, 2 people, 5 people?
Well, it depends. It depends on your marketing. If you don't market the event, it doesn't sell out. We've had one event that was sold out. Capacity seats were 500. We had 600 people within the auditorium. We've had a few others that were not as successful. Probably 300 to 450 people coming in by the end of the event. But basically, we have had a steady result from the concerts we have. Not all concerts break even, but at the end of the day, we give the crowd a show. The music club is a very fun club to join. You come here, you sing if you can sing, you jam if you can play an instrument, and we are trying to get the infrastructure, the kind of structure that can allow people to learn. If you can't play an instrument or you can't sing, we allow you to learn. It takes a process, but at the end of the day, when you leave the club, there's an outcome. You've learned something new. So just come through.
So can anyone just come up and just join in? Is there like a registration form?
Yeah, there's a registration form. You sign in, you write your name, your ID, the instrument you play. If you don't play, you state it there. You leave your number and we call you. So there's this concert we had, the Art From Inside, Summer Loving, and the concert was really good. We had a few artists coming in, Chris Adwar and the likes, and it was really hard to get them to come through, but at the end of the day, they came and gave a good performance.
We asked the administration to help us, like with the budget and everything. So yeah, we're getting help with from the administration with the budget. But yeah, they're pretty keen on also, because music club is pretty diverse, right? So when we approached them about having a band in here, they were also okay. They were willing to see how it goes. Just know them, and yeah, we just asked them if they could come, and they also wanted to come and perform here, so they came. But these guys are really good at what they do, and yeah, we'll just get to see how they do.
My name is Chris Adwar. I'm the music director for the Villagers Band. I'm also the music producer and songwriter in the band, and the lead singer. We are an independent band. We are not signed onto any record label of any sort. So we do our thing from the house. Well, we were invited to USIU, and we're grateful. We're really looking forward to playing the gig. And really, if we're invited anywhere else, we just go and play. We enjoy playing, yeah.
When we run out of time, someone please tell us that.